Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something we all love to explore, the laziest yet smartest ways to make money online. And trust me, I've got something special to share that meets all the criteria for being the ultimate lazy money-making method. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Defining the criteria. So, what exactly makes a method the laziest way to earn online? The laziest way to earn money online typically involves methods that require minimal active involvement once set up. One key aspect is avoiding the need to appear on camera, which can be intimidating for some people. By opting for methods like affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating digital products, individuals can generate income without the pressure of being in front of a camera. This allows for a more relaxed approach to earning money online. Another important factor in a lazy online earning method is the lack of product creation hassle. This means leveraging existing products or services through affiliate marketing or dropshipping, where individuals promote and sell products without having to handle inventory or shipping. By focusing on marketing and sales rather than product creation, individuals can streamline their efforts and maximize their returns with minimal upfront investment. Additionally, a truly lazy online earning method should offer a long-lasting return for minimal ongoing effort, allowing individuals to earn passive income over time without constantly needing to put in significant work. By setting up automated systems, creating evergreen content, or building a loyal audience, individuals can enjoy sustained income with minimal day-to-day involvement. Step 2. Debunking traditional methods. When it comes to making money online through surveys or freelance work, it's important to understand that while these methods can provide quick cash, they often come with limitations. Many of these opportunities offer a way to earn money in your spare time, but they are not sustainable sources of income in the long run. The income generated from online surveys or freelance gigs is typically tied to the time and effort you put in. Once you stop participating in surveys or completing freelance projects, the money stops flowing as well. This means that if you're looking for a consistent and reliable source of income, relying solely on these methods may not be the best approach. Instead of focusing solely on quick online surveys or freelance gigs, it's essential to consider building a more stable and sustainable income stream. This could involve exploring other online opportunities, such as creating and selling digital products, starting a blog or YouTube channel, offering online courses or services, or even investing in passive income streams like affiliate marketing or selling products through an e-commerce store. By diversifying your income sources and focusing on building a more long-term and scalable online business, you can create a more stable financial foundation that isn't solely reliant on the fluctuating income from surveys or freelance work. Step 3. Introducing the lazy gem. When we talk about the golden ticket in online marketing, we're referring to a powerful strategy that involves promoting high-payout partner products through high-leverage traffic sources. Firstly, high-payout partner products are those items or services that offer significant commissions or profits when you successfully promote and sell them. These products can range from digital courses to physical goods, and they often attract affiliates looking to earn substantial income through commissions. On the other hand, high-leverage traffic sources are platforms or methods that allow you to reach a large audience efficiently. This could include social media advertising, search engine optimization, or influencer partnerships. By combining these high-payout products with high-leverage traffic sources, marketers can maximize their earning potential by targeting the right audience with products that offer lucrative returns. In essence, the golden ticket strategy aims to match valuable products with effective marketing channels to generate significant revenue. Step 4. Step-by-step guide. To kickstart your journey towards online success, the first crucial step is to identify your niche overlap. Begin by listing down your interests in a Google Doc. Next, delve into trending topics within your chosen niche. The key here is to pinpoint the intersection where your passion aligns with profitability. This sweet spot will serve as the foundation for your online venture, ensuring that you are not only enthusiastic about your content, but also catering to a lucrative market segment. Moving on to Step 2, the focus shifts to partnering with high-paying products. Platforms like Digistore24 or ClickBank offer a plethora of products with substantial price tags, starting at a minimum of $500. By signing up and obtaining your unique affiliate link, you pave the way for monetizing your content effectively. This strategic partnership not only enhances your earning potential, but also adds value to your audience by promoting premium products that align with your niche. The final step, the lazy content traffic formula, is where the real magic unfolds. By researching top channels within your niche, you can glean valuable insights and ideas. Transform these insights into your own unique content, tailored to resonate with your target audience. This approach not only streamlines your content creation process, but also leverages proven strategies for driving traffic to your platform. By following these 3 steps diligently, you can establish a solid foundation for your online presence and pave the way for sustainable growth and success in the digital realm. Step 5. Execution made easy. Creating content for YouTube can be a fun and potentially lucrative endeavor. By using Google Slides to craft visually appealing presentations, you can engage your audience with informative and entertaining content. Adding visuals to your slides can help convey your message more effectively and keep viewers interested. Recording your screen while presenting your slides allows you to create dynamic videos that showcase your expertise or creativity. If you're not comfortable with your voice or narration skills, you can consider outsourcing this aspect to a professional voiceover artist. This can help elevate the quality of your videos and make them more engaging for your audience. Once your video is ready, uploading it to YouTube with a well-crafted description and relevant tags can help attract viewers and potentially monetize your content. By following these steps, you can turn your ideas and knowledge into a money-making machine on YouTube. Step 6. Scaling up. By aiming to upload 3 videos every week, you are setting a regular schedule that your viewers can rely on. This consistency not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps in growing your channel over time. When you consistently provide content, you are essentially creating a library of videos that work for you continuously. This means that even when you're not actively creating new content, your existing videos are still there, attracting views, engagement, and potentially new subscribers. By committing to a schedule of 3 videos a week, you are not only increasing your visibility on the platform, but also signaling to both YouTube's algorithm and your audience that you are serious about your channel. This can lead to better rankings in search results, increased recommendations to viewers, and a higher likelihood of viewers returning for more content. Over time, this regular output can help establish your channel as a reliable source of content in your niche, building trust with your audience and ultimately contributing to the growth and success of your channel. So remember, consistency is not just a good practice, it's a key strategy for long-term success on YouTube. Step 7. Bonus tips for success. If you're looking to take your lazy game to the next level, there are a few key strategies you can implement to make life easier and more efficient. One powerful approach is to tap into the concept of recurring revenue. By setting up streams of income that come in regularly without requiring constant effort, you can free up your time and energy for other pursuits. This could involve creating subscription services, digital products, or passive income streams that continue to generate money even when you're not actively working. Another essential tool in your lazy game arsenal is smart software usage. Leveraging technology to automate tasks, streamline processes, and simplify your workflow can significantly reduce the amount of manual labor you need to put in. From project management tools to email automation software, there are countless options available to help you work smarter, not harder. By embracing these digital solutions, you can optimize your productivity and minimize the time spent on repetitive or mundane tasks. Lastly, mastering the art of delegation is crucial for anyone looking to excel at being lazy in a productive way. Learning to trust others with certain responsibilities and tasks can lighten your workload and allow you to focus on more important matters. Whether it's outsourcing tasks to freelancers, hiring virtual assistants, or delegating within your team, effective delegation can help you achieve more with less effort. By strategically assigning tasks to others who are better suited for them, you can maximize your efficiency and create more time for relaxation and enjoyment. And there you have it, the ultimate lazy way to make money online. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button for more insights. Until next time, stay lazy, stay profitable.